Hi, good evening, everybody. Come on, at least give me a good evening there.
Good evening, Abhishek.
It's very difficult for me to express my feelings right now, especially of pride and most importantly, excitement that I'm experiencing here this evening. As Dad said, it was just 4 days back that Dad and Dada came to me and asked me to prepare a small speech for this fortunate day. So it's like just a small speech. This. I'll start again, sorry. As I said, that it was just 4 days back that my dad and Dada came to me and asked me to prepare a small speech for this fortunate day. And I am going to say that speech now. It was all just a couple of years back. Only a couple of years back, though it just seems like yesterday. As I remember my dad discussing the intricacies of the planning and of the development of Gulmore. So, as a kid, I still recollect the various stages through which Gulmore has gone through. Primarily, it started with the driving range along with the golf course. Then, the next step was towards letting people experience the feeling of living by a golf course. And thus, the residential block over there came up successfully. Followed up by the multi-utility sports zone, the sports complex, for the avid sports lovers. But then, my dad started feeling that children like you and me are being neglected. And he came up with a wonderful idea of creating a corner where children can be themselves, away from stress and homework, and just enjoy very different activities with their dear ones. If I was bubbling with excitement with just a mere thought of a children park, my dad's enthusiasm was no less. I have felt his passion and excitement in the past few months for delivering and creating the best possible children park for us kids. Thank you, Dad. I genuinely appreciate that. For me, it was like an opening of a new era of hope. Our children's park is a very interesting field of unrestricted recreation and place here to enjoy many pleasurable activities, especially with equipments like trampolines, swings and slides and much more. The main features of our children park are mist, a sand play area, a train which goes through a ghostly tunnel, bumping cars like Chitty Chitty Bang Bang, doll houses for little kitties, rope and rock climbing, as well as an indoor play zone. We have also brought the world together by creating a world map right at the entrance. The enthusiasm here cannot easily be found anywhere else, for the young come here to enjoy and the elders come with them to see them enjoy. It is the perfect place to go for any age and everyone can have a good time. What an amalgamation of a varied enjoyment here. For some, it is a place to go and relax, a place to go and play, or a place to go and thank God for everything He has made for us. It is on this foundation that we will breathe a new energy into our ceremony and thus realize an idea that culminates in the happiness of the children. Thank you all for being patient enough to listen to me and please and continue my mistakes. So please, I'm very sorry for that. But thank you for being patient enough to complete my speech. Have a pleasurable evening and a rocking 2013. Thank you.